艾文，过来，过来，妈妈问你一下关于那个 sticker 的事情，过来嘛。
Yes, rest in the counter.
Yeah, how many stickers do you have?
5.
5? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, I don't remember giving you this sticker.
That's Mom. That's when Mom get make a Papa help us. I get pick one. Papa, are you listening?
For listening?
Yeah. Me what's a both?
What did Miss Susanna say today?
My good boy.
What? She told me you're not a good boy today. You did not take a nap, and didn't you hit Lorenzo? What did you do to Lorenzo?
Smooth in face.
What's that?
Smooth in face.
What did you do to him?
So stop it. Take the son Ivan to teacher.
Yeah.
Take the son Ivan did.
Yeah. What did you do though? Couldn't make out anything you said. So did you hit Lorenzo or not? You did not?
I hit a window.
But Miss Quinn told me you hit Lorenzo.
I don't think so.
You don't think so. But anyhow, I didn't say that I'm going to give you a sticker today. I think this sticker from Benji's mom doesn't count. You have to earn it.
Yeah.
From me, Iowa. Yeah, Iowa. I'm going to save this sticker for tomorrow. If you behave, I'll give it to you.
Mom, take that for me?
Yeah, I'll save it for you for tomorrow because you asked someone to put it on behind my back.
I won't.
Yeah, I'm sorry, it broke, but that's fine. Anyhow, Iwan, today, Miss Susanna said you didn't do that well today, so I'm not gonna give you the sticker, okay? But tomorrow, if you be a good boy, if you have a good day, I'll give you a sticker, okay?
Ow!
I'll put it here.
Bed.
Okay, go to sleep now, okay, Iwan?
I think I use it for bed.
No.